Hi my loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your favorite girl Amarachi Fabi, and if today is the very first day you're seeing this face on your screen, you are welcome to the channel. Okay, so on this YouTube channel we do all things related to skincare and feminine hygiene, so do well to subscribe to join the family. And if you are a subscriber already, you are welcome to another video. So in today's video, just as the caption already says, the title already says, we're going to be making a DIY of rice mask. So if you're that kind of person that you love Korean product but you cannot really afford it, okay, in today's video I'll be showing you a DIY of a popular Korean face mask that you can make that would give you that glassy, luminous, skin popping Korea skin that you're looking for. So this kind of video is the kind of video that I've been looking for or searching on how to get that glass skin without spending much. Welcome to this video, and let's just dive into the video proper. So the very first thing I want you to know in this video is that the main ingredient that we're going to be using to make this particular mask is rice, okay? This is going to be called Korea rice mask that would help to brighten and fade away your dull skin, fade away dark spots, and give you a glass skin. So the first thing that you should know is that rice has its benefits to the skin. That is why it's part of the ingredient that the Korean use to produce their rice mask, okay? So the first thing that rice does to the skin is that it brightens the skin. Rice helps to brighten the skin. So if you have a dull skin, if you have a skin that is actually going through its phase of hyperpigmentation or dark spots, this particular mask would help to brighten your skin and give you that glass and brighter skin tone that you are looking for. Okay, so the second thing that this particular mask helps to do is that it soothes the skin, like it calms the skin. Like if you're kind of person that suffers from irritation, you have irritation, your skin burns out when you use some certain products, or when you do some certain things on your face, or when you go under the sun, you have irritation or redness, this particular mask would help to soothe and calm your skin. Okay, so the third thing that this mask does is that it is actually it has anti-aging properties. Okay, so it actually helps to fade away fine lines and wrinkles, you know, anything that will actually make your face look older than your age. It actually gets rid of it. So this particular mask is good if you are the type who would want to look younger, way younger than your age, or you want your face to actually appear younger. Okay, it actually help to make you look or appear younger. So the fourth thing is that it's actually very, very hydrating to the face. Like this particular mask helps to hydrate the skin, okay? So I would actually recommend this for people who has extremely dry skin and you want that plump, you want that soft skin, and you'll be looking for what you will do. This particular mask is the mask that you're going to make at home, and it will actually get the job done. But even if you don't have a dry skin, if you have an acne prone skin, and an oily skin, sensitive skin, whatever, normal skin, you actually need to lock in moisture to your skin. Okay, we all agree that we need to lock in moisture because we don't want our skin to be looking dry and flaky. So with this mask, with the help of this mask, you're going to be locking in extra moisture. All right, so the fifth thing is that it actually helps to exfoliate the skin, although it doesn't do the job as much as a scrub will do, but it actually exfoliates the skin. It helps with cell turnover so that your skin would have a new skin. You understand? When done over time, a new skin will evolve, and then you have a fresh skin, and then your product or your skincare product that you're using would work effectively. So just see all the benefits that comes from this particular rice mask. Okay, so when it comes to the usage, I would advise that you use it 2 times in a week. Yes, 1 to 2 times in a week. If you're a very busy person, you have a very busy schedule, I would advise that you use it just once in a week. But if you're the type who wants to lock in extra moisture, you don't mind, you have the time, I would say that you do it 2 times in a week. Okay, so with the help of this mask, you're going to be achieving a glowy skin, even skin tone. You are going to be saying goodbye to a dull skin. You're going to be saying goodbye to hyperpigmentation. You're going to be saying goodbye to a rough, bumpy skin. You're going to be saying goodbye to a dry skin. You're going to be saying goodbye to um a skin that has dark spots, and then you're going to be saying welcome to a glass skin. You're going to be saying welcome to a plump, moisturized, hydrated, skin popping Korean glass skin. Okay, so the second phase that you're going to be seeing now on this video would be the process. I'll walk you through the process on how you're going to produce this particular rice mask at home. Like I said, it's DIY, so it means do it yourself. So you're going to be doing it yourself, and then I'll be showing you the measurements that you're going to be needing for each of the ingredients and how you're going to apply
So for the
it
measurements, you're going
on
to
your
be needing
skin to
half cup
actually
of
get all these
rice, and this is
benefits
the
that I
measuring cup
have
that I used.
mentioned
So
earlier.
I went ahead to wash the rice thoroughly under a running water, and when I was done, I strained it from the water and washed it again just to make sure that it is very, very clean. And then after that, I went ahead to rinse the pot that I'm going to be using to cook the rice, because I'm going to cook it for some minutes. And then after that, I poured the rice into the pot and used a cup of water. If you can see on the video, on the line, the water has to be on the line. And then I went ahead to boil this rice. So when it was ready, I transferred it back into the plate, and now I allowed the rice to cool down a bit before I now started blending it. So the next thing to do once your rice is cool is to add it into your blender, just as you can see on your screen. Added it into my blender. Then I poured in half cup of water because I want this rice consistency to be very thick. You're going to actually know the reason why you have to make yours to be thick if you continue with the video. So I poured in the batter that I've already blended. I blended it to be very smooth and thick. And then I added this aloe vera gel. I added 1 TBSP, that's 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel. And then I added 2 capsules of vitamin E oil, although I used different vitamin E oil for this. So I added 1 capsule of the blue one and 1 capsule of the yellow one. Then I went ahead to turn it thoroughly.
My loves, what you just watched were the steps on how to do this DIY Korean rice mask. So I wanted to like show you people as I apply it on my face. So this is the mask. I made mine to be very thick because I like it to be thick on my face. So if you are the type that wants a runny consistency, you can just make it to be runny, or you make it to as the one that you would love. I like mine thick so that it will not be running on my face. So I've already cleansed my face off the camera, and then now I'm going to be applying this mask on my face using this particular makeup brush that I have. So the remaining, the ones that will remain, I'll actually store them in the freezer. Okay, so you can actually store this in the freezer. And if you see me looking this side, please don't be angry, because the mirror that I'm using to see what I'm applying is on this side. Okay, yeah. So like I said, you can just do this 2 times in a week, and then you're going to be seeing great results, like the kind of results that you will not expect to see. And this particular batch that I just made now can last me up to a month or 3 weeks. Okay, can last me up to 3 weeks or a month. So if you have a freezer and you have steady power supply, I advise you make just this quantity and save for later. Okay, yeah. You see what I'm trying to say now? This one already spilled upon the stick. So upon this is thick, it's still spilled on my clothes. That is to tell you the reason why you really have to make yours to be this consistency. So if you have honey at home, you can also add honey to yours, but I do not have honey. That's why I did not add honey to mine. So my loves, I'm done applying the mask, and for the duration on how I'm going to carry it on my face before I wash it off, I actually leave this on my face to sit for 15 minutes, and after 15 minutes I'll go ahead and wash it off, and then go ahead and lock in moisture using my serum and my moisturizer. And then after that, I'm done till the next time I'm going to do it during the week. Like I said, you can make this kind of batch that I made if you have steady power supply, and then store it in your refrigerator or your freezer till the next time that you're going to be using it. Okay, so if you are the type that struggle with uneven skin tone, dark spots, you know, a lot of hyperpigmentation on your face, or your face not just being bright, you want your face to brighten up, I would say try this mask and thank me later. So if you have watched this particular point of the video and you are yet to subscribe to this YouTube channel, what are you waiting for to subscribe to this channel? Please subscribe to this YouTube channel so that you get more juicy videos like this, more tips and hacks that are going to be using to glow up your skin. You don't really have to break a bank to look good. So just hit on the subscribe button and subscribe. Turn on your notification bell so that you'll be the very first person to get notified once I upload a new video. And if you have any question, I'll be in the comment section to answer all your questions. Remember to give this video a like. Please like this video. And until next time, my loves, stay glowy and bye.